Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the actual URL slug, the end part of the URL for your magic pages to make it even more relevant to the location. Whereas at the moment it comes up with the location name, I'm going to show you how you can add the location name, the sort of region of the county, and also the zip or postcode to it. Obviously, you can add other things if you want, but that's what I'm going to show you for today. So the first thing what we need to do is obviously get some data. So what I'm going to do is go into settings and go to Magic Page Database. And I've already got this loaded in, which is good. This is Florida, and basically it's got, let's install it anyway and do it again. This is just one of the test sites. I've obviously been playing with this site. But basically, I'm just going to load a database in with any sort of data. But just so you can see how to load the database in, I'll just delete this one and then reinstall it. Okay, so what filters have I got? So I've got filtered for 1,000. So let's just make the database a bit small. Let's do 1,500 and apply the filters. Okay, so we've got 1,500 locations. So let's install the database. Didn't drop it down by that much, but never mind. Obviously, you can use whatever filters you want to get the database as you want it. Or you could export the whole of the database, which was like a lot. I don't know. I can't remember how many it was for Florida. Like for California, you'd have like sort of 6,558 locations. Now, you might not want all them. But obviously, you can mess about with that database however you want. So we now need to go to import export now that we've got our data. And we want to do export locations. And we're just going to export the whole lot. So it's going to export 1,503 straight into the database. So we're now going to download this. And we're going to save it. Okay, just save me downloads. So now that's saved, we're just going to open it. And it's opened on the other sheet. So I'll just move it across. Okay, so this is the database. Let's have a look. Come off there. So I've just zoomed in a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. Might be able to get a bit more. That's better. So as you can see, some of these, like Adamsville has 2 occurrences, Almeida has 2, and we've got all the way down, there's like sort of 2. So the first thing I do when I'm doing this is I get rid of them. Okay, let's just pull that across. So I just select that column, and then I do data, and you do, where's it gone? I don't use, where's this? Sort filter, advanced text. You can tell I don't use, oh, there we go. Find and select. So we do there. And we're going to do find and replace. So all I do, as you can see, I've been doing it before. You'll do -2. And you want to replace it with nothing. So don't put anything in there. Okay. And then you just do replace all. And done. Then you do -3. Just in case there's any 3s, there was 29. -4, there was 7, -5, there was 4, -6, there was 1, -7, there was 1, -8, there was none, and -9, there was none. Now, the other thing, what can happen is there's sometimes like sort of 20 and 21 and things like that. So I'll also do that and go for 0. So if there's any zeros in there, I'll want them replacing. So there's none. Was there any ones? No, right. So it looks like there was no 20s in there, so that's good. Okay, all 30. So I'm quite happy with that then. So that's all them done. So I can close that one. Okay, so the next thing I do is if I'm going to use the county, then what I'll do is I'll put it over here and I will do equals and then I'll do lower, open my bracket, and the county is G, so it's G2, and close my bracket. So as you can see, that now comes out as Palm Beach County, all lowercase. And I do the same with my zip code. I don't need to do that with the zip code because your zip code is already, if I'm doing the UK, I will do exactly the same with my postcode. Okay, because we have alpha thingies. With your zip code, you don't need to do it, which makes life a lot easier. But I've got that there. But now what I need to do is to replace, I can copy that down. Now, sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't. Like now, it doesn't want to work when you double click. Don't know why it sometimes works and other times it doesn't. But all you do is you Control-C, put that into there, zoom to the bottom, and there, put that in, do Control-V, and it does it. But now what I want to do is to have a hyphen where there's an actual space. Now, again, with this, sometimes it actually works and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with it, but if you do replace, like I say, you look for a space and replace with a hyphen, and then do replace all. It can't find it. So in that scenario, all I do is I copy that and I go over to here and just put it in. Just delete them 2 cells. I'll just zoom in a bit on this for you. Okay, so just delete them 2 cells out the way. Select that whole area and then do Control F or Command F if you're on a thing, and then do find. Just press the space bar once, replace, hyphen, replace all. Done. So as you can see, it's now put Palm Beach County, Hamilton County, Sumner County, Hillsborough County, all of them, and they're all in all the way down. So again, I'll just copy a lot of them. And then go back to the spreadsheet, which is there. And then just paste it. So that's now got all them with the counties in. And obviously I've got the zip codes. So now I will come to here and I'll just do, okay, so I want this, I want equals. And then I want my location slug. So I'll be equals J2. Then do an ampersand. And then do quote, hyphen, quote. And then I'll want N2. Because that will then, no, I want ampersand, then N2. And then I want ampersand. And then I want quote, hyphen, quote. ampersand, and then I want E2. And when I press return on that, I get my slug as Aberdeen, Palm Beach County 33437. Okay, and then just hide that and double click. For some reason that one works, and for some reason that one doesn't. Don't know, but there you go. So that's it now done. So what I need to do now is copy that. So I've copied the whole lot. I put it on there and I do paste special this time because I don't want the formulas. All I want is the values. So put the values in. So I've now got it. So if I now delete these and expand that, as you can see, all of the slugs have now got the county plus the zip code on. So if I now save this, in fact, I'm going to save it as so I'll find it easier. So I can just find that easy where I need to find it and save it. So now I go back to here and we go to, first off, we want to get rid of these other ones. Okay, so we go to the settings. We go to the Magic Page database. I've got missed, and we uninstall the region. Okay, so we go back to settings, import, export, give it a data label. So, okay, it's demo data. Continue. Now we find this thing. So it was on my downloads. So Keats demo database, drop that in there. So Keats demo database.xls, process the database. And it's going to install them 1,502 locations. Okay, so that's now been imported. So if I now go to locations, as you can see, we've got Aberdeen, is Aberdeen, Palm Beach County, Hamilton County, Summer County, Hillsborough County. So that's done. So if I now go to Magic Page and do edit and say, let's just do Clearwater. Does that. Do an update. And if we open this, we scroll down. So we've got these. So we've got Largo. As you can see, you got Largo, Pinellas County 34649. So that is how to get your sites. So the URL is even more relevant for the actual location. Hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.